I'll just show you the LookFantastic beauty box for June 2018. I haven't unboxed this in a while now because the boxes kept arriving very late, you know. This one arrived last week, so I thought I'd unbox it very quickly. Now, I've completely forgotten to look up spoilers this month, so I have no idea what the theme is or what's inside. Let's go. So that is the box, kind of summary, very pretty design. For those who came in late, LookFantastic is a beauty box that ships worldwide. They're based in the UK. They're mostly skincare centric. So each box costs £15. If you are on a longer term subscription, the cost is less. I pay around 11 or so pounds for my subscription. I've been subscribing ever since this box was founded. And inside it says, individually, we are one drop, together we are an ocean. And you have the product card, which is actually the form of a little pamphlet. And the theme is supposed to be into the blue. That explains the design of the box. So the theme is into the blue. You also have the LUK magazine for this month. That'll make a nice read over the weekend. And let's see what's inside. Oh, I spy so many things. There are 7 products inside this box. That's a surprise. They normally send only 6. So 7 this month, that's quite nice. So for this month, LookFantastic says, June is all about springing into the summer season with a focus on hydration, luminosity, and products that leave you feeling all-round rejuvenated. We also share with you some creative ways to recycle your beauty box. I use these for storage. And to achieve the perfect beach waves. Plus, discover the incredible ranges from 2 of our favorite brands, Kimono and Rituals Cosmetics. So dive in and enjoy. So this sounds quite hydration-centric this month. So what's in the box? The first product is LMS Superfood Facial Wash. I love LMS. A smoothie of superfoods, including wheatgrass and nettle. This face wash lifts away dirt and impurities, while feeding the skin with essential nutrients to help restore a fresh-healthy glow. Leaves you with a fresh and revived complexion with improved luminosity. This is sulfate-free, and I am a cleanser junkie, and I'm very delighted to receive it. Good choice there. This is 30 mils, 1 ounce. So this would be nice for travel. The second product is Madara SOS Hydra Moisture Radiance Mask. Hydrate and rejuvenate your skin with this moisturizing organic mask. This vegan-friendly formula has a divine, soft and powdery scent, which is sure to leave your skin looking smooth, toned and youthful. Pamper and quench your skin's thirst with this mini treat. 12.5 mils. Contains shea butter, which means will probably break me out, because shea butter is one of those ingredients that breaks me out. So, may not be using this. Bummer. Right, the next thing is makeup. There's Studio 10 Liquid Foil. A crease-resistant eyeshadow is hard to find, especially one that hydrates and blends seamlessly on your lid. So you'll fall in love with this long-lasting, silky, metallic eyeshadow. This amazing eyeshadow can also be layered for extra pop and radiance that gives you perfect party eyes. I've already done my eye makeup, but I love receiving liquid shadows. And I'm late to the liquid eyeshadow party, but I enjoy them now. And I love foil eyeshadows. So I'm keeping this one. Very nice choice. And it's a nice summery, bronzy neutral. Actually, you can wear this around the year. Let's just have a quick look if this is going to suit my skin tone. Oh, it's sealed. That's pretty. So I'm hanging on to this one. Right, next product, Christopher Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure wrestle clay and rose extracts. A firm favorite of the Beauty Box team, this deeply cleanses and nourishes your hair, leaving it revitalized and full of bounce. This amazing treatment works to absorb dirt, oil and impurities, lifting your hair and giving enhanced strength and thickness. My scalp is oily. The rest of my hair is dry. So this sounds like something that will work well on oily scalps. So I'm keeping this one. And I love Christopher Robin. Their Prickly Pear hair mask is one of my favorite hair products ever. Next thing is Rituals. The Ritual of Tao Body Cream. Combining the gentle fragrance of white lotus with Yi Yi Ren, an ingredient traditionally used in Chinese medicine, this rich and creamy moisturizer nourishes your skin and leaves silky soft to touch. They need to work on their English. This is paraben-free, and I love Rituals. They have a marvelous shower gel. I think it was called Zen something. I've forgotten the name, but it's a beautiful shower gel. And I have used Rituals hand creams and body lotions before with great success. So I'm going to hang on to this one as well. And this is also, this is 70 mils. That's quite nice. Very generous size there. Now, this one is not mentioned in the product card. It is the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. Nice packaging. This will be ideal for traveling. This is, oh, it is actually £6 to buy that. Interesting. 10 mils. I suppose it'll be nice for a weekend getaway and overnight stay somewhere. That's it. We'll go into my travel bag. Next up is, oh dear, this is fake tan. Vita Liberata Fabulous Self-Tanning Tinted Lotion. This lightweight formula doubles up as a daily body moisturizer that delivers a subtle color, which slowly intensifies, giving you a gorgeous tan. Plus, with auto-remove technology, there'll be no post-tan smell, leaving you ready to glow. That's all very well, but I have enough fake tan to cover a small continent, so I won't be keeping this one either. So this month, 7 products. I cannot use 2. One is the SOS Hydra Mask, which contains shea butter, so it can't go on my face. The other is the fake tan, because I have way too many fake tan products already. So, I mean, they keep sending out fake tan in the summer. I should have guessed. The other products, all I can use, very, very happy with the foil eyeshadow from Studio 10. I have a Studio 10 lipstick, which I love. Also happy with the Elemis face wash and the Rituals body cream. So overall, a decent box this month. 7 products, I can use 5. I can't use 2 of them. I enjoy receiving skincare in my beauty boxes, particularly cleansers and bath and body products. So I'm not complaining. I do wish they continue to send out more makeup, and the foil eyeshadow is a very good choice. A nice color there. Will be used. Won't be using the fake tan or the mask, as I said. So where to subscribe is in the description box below. You'll also find the links to previous beauty box unboxings from LookFantastic, as well as other beauty boxes. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button. And I'll speak to you soon.